So because of what we're discussing, this is going to be a continuation. Mishnah Hey. נטמע הבשר של קורבן הפסח שבא בטהרה. So this is a regular year. It's not a year where the congregation is impure. It's a year where the congregation is pure. It's a year.
One korban pesach.
Yeah, it's a year that the congregation is pure.
Okay.
Yeah. So and somebody became impure. He didn't realize that he's impure, and then he touched the korban pesach. So now the Pesach sacrifice is not kosher anymore. So what will the problem? It means that everybody is pure. Now comes the problem. The fat is the thing that's going to go on the altar. That's still existing. The fat is still here. כלומר, אף על פי שאימוריו הקרבים על המזבח לא נטמעו. So this is what we're talking about. So the
meat got defiled.
That's right.
And all these inner parts didn't.
Which means the thing that goes to the mizbeach
did not got defiled.
Oh, now the question is, should you bring them on the mizbeach or not?
I assume yes.
So let's see. אינו זורק את הדם. It says he's not going to finish and throw the blood on the mizbeach, which is the end of the process. He's not going to do that. So it says why? Because there's no purpose. The whole purpose of Korban Pesach is what? For you to eat, not for God. Since that purpose is not going to get done, why are you throwing it? Why are you throwing the blood? There's no reason to throw the blood. It looks like though all the other things, not Korban Pesach, you would throw the blood because that's the main part. The main part is over there.
Not eat it.
And not eat it, yeah. But you are going to throw it. Very good. אינו זורק את הדם.
You may throw the blood and then eat it.
That's right.
Depend on.
I think he's going to talk about it. אינו זורק את הדם. He's not going to throw away the blood. שהרי עיקר הפסח לא בא אלא לאכילה, like we said. The main purpose of the Pesach sacrifice is just for eating. וכיוון שנטמע הבשר ואסור לאכלו, and since the flesh is impure and you prohibited to eat it now, אין כאן קורבן פסח, you don't have a sacrifice. You don't have the קורבן פסח. What is the opposite way? נטמע החלב, the part that goes on the מזבח, the fat that goes on the מזבח, that became impure. אם נטמעו האמורים של קורבן הפסח, ואי אפשר להקריבה למזבח, now you cannot bring the part of the altar, you cannot bring to the altar, והבשר קיים, but the flesh that you're going to eat, that still exists. אבל הבשר זור, then זורק את הדם, then you do throw the blood, even though God didn't get his portion, because the main part of the Pesach sacrifice is you. כדי להתיר את הקורבן, שהרי עיקרו לבשר הנאכל ממנו, because the main part is for you. And in all the other things, it's exactly the opposite. ובמוקדשים אינו כן, in all the other sacrifices, אבל בשאר הקדשים, the other 5 that we discussed before, אין הדין כן. This is not the law. אלא אף על פי שנטמע הבשר והחלב קיים, if the flesh is impure, which means the Kohen cannot eat it, because it's impure, but you know, God can eat it because it's not impure. For God it is pure. והחלב קיים, כלומר אם החלב טהור, which means the fat that goes to God is still pure, אף על פי שנטמע הבשר, even though the flesh is impure, זורק את הדם. There you will throw the blood. כדי להתיר את החלב, להקריבו על גבי המזבח, so that you'll be able to bring the fat into the mizbeach, because this is the main part is God and not the main part is you. And the main part still exists. So bring it up.